So how do you memorize your tens times tables? If you have to memorize your tens multiplication facts, how do you memorize that? Well, a quick and easy rule is that 10 times any number is that number with a zero added to the end. So let's look at that. So if I have 10 times 2, that's going to be equal to 20. All I have to do is add a 0 to 2. If I have 10 times 3, that's going to be equal to 30. All I have to do is add a 0 to 30. That's going to be the answer. Let's see if we look at this another way. Look at another couple examples here. Looking at our tens. What's 10 times 100? If we take our rule, we just add a 0. What's 10 times 100? Well, that's going to be equal to 1,000. We just took 10 times 100. We just added one more 0, and that's going to be 1,000. What about 10 times 2,000? Well, add one more 0 to the end of 2,000, and that's going to be equal to 20,000. So that's how we do our tens. Let's say we have, what is 10 times 100 million? See if you can guess that. Well, that's going to be 1 billion. 10 times 100 million is equal to 1 billion. If I had 100 million 10 times, I'd have a billion or $1 billion. That's what that would be. So that's how you do your tens. You just add a 0 to whatever number you're multiplying by 10. So let's take a look at that and just kind of summarize that really quick. The quick and easy rule is just add a 0. So if I have 10 times 2, well, that's going to be 20. The answer is going to be 20. If I had 10 times 3, the answer is 30. I just added a 0 to 3. 10 times 4 is 40. 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times 6, you guessed it, is 60. 10 times 7, 70. 10 times 8 is 80. 10 times 9 is 90. And 10 times 10 is 100.